A table gives values of x and the corresponding values of f of x, where f of x equals to 3 times g of x -2 positive 4x, and both f and g are linear functions. Determine the value of g of 6. Okay, to get the value of g of 6, first we have to know the linear function g. Since g is a linear function, it can be written in slope-intercept form in Desmos. So that is g of x equals to the slope-intercept form mx positive b. Okay, here to get the function g of x, we have to find the values of the two unknown constants m and b using the other information. Here we have a table of values for the function f of x. Okay, now let me take the table of values over here in Desmos, that is table. Okay, so the first point in the given table is 0, 0, and the second one is 3, 30, and the third one is 6, 16. Okay, when I compare the given table over here and the table in Desmos, at the place of x, we have x1. At the place of f of x, we have y1. So when I take this function as input in Desmos, for this f of x, I have to use this y1. And for this x, I have to use x1. And also for this equal sign, I have to use a tilde sign. Okay, let me take the function f of x as input in Desmos. For f of x, we have to take y1. And for equal sign, we have to use tilde symbol. 3 times g of, then we have to take x1 for x. -2 positive 4 times x1. Here I got the values of the two unknown constants m and b, that is m equals to 2 and b equals to 4. Now we can take this one as input in Desmos to get the value of g of 6. Okay, let me take g of 6. Here I got the value of g of 6, that is 16.